10 most profitable businesses to start in 2026. These are the 10 best, smartest, and most profitable businesses that you can start in 2026. As someone who has worked with several business owners in promoting their business, I know what business models succeed and which ones fail. Based on current market trends, technological evolution, and spending behavior, there has never been a better moment than now to position yourself for a $1 million business in 2026. Before we dive in, if you're serious about launching a successful business in 2026, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a wealth-building opportunity. Trust me, you don't want to be left behind. Before we discuss the 10 most profitable businesses to start in 2026, let's quickly look at what actually makes a business worth starting. There are two major things you must consider. First, always pay attention to the buyer's income. You want to sell to buyers who can afford high-ticket solutions. It's always smarter to start with premium, high-value services rather than low-priced offers that require huge volume to scale. People with money pay handsomely to solve real problems. The second metric to pay attention to is market growth rate. A fast-growing market means demand is expanding, competition is fresh, and the ceiling for revenue is far higher. What's exciting about 2026 is that we are entering a new wave of high-growth industries powered by AI adoption, health technology, sustainability mandates, and fundamental changes in consumer behavior. Before we go deeper, if you want to learn how to make an additional $1,000 to $3,000 per day in passive income on complete autopilot in 2025, check the link in the description. It shows you my exact system step by step. Don't miss out. Now, let's explore the 5 most profitable businesses to start in 2026, ranked by strongest market growth and future demand. 1. Premium Pet Care Services. The pet care industry is booming with consistent 5% yearly growth. In the United States alone, the market is projected to rise from $151 billion in 2024 to $251 billion by 2030. The real opportunity lies in solving a guilt-based problem for busy pet owners. Think luxury pet hotels, premium grooming, pet surveillance, and special care services. Urban pet owners treat their pets like family, and they'll pay premium prices for convenience and comfort. 2. Health and wellness tech, treatments and services. The global wellness market is massively valued at $5.6 trillion in 2022 and expected to hit $8.5 trillion by 2027. People want personalized health solutions they can control. Med spas, telehealth, longevity clinics, fitness tech, and performance nutrition. You don't always need a medical degree, but if you have one, you instantly stand out and can charge more. 3. Sustainable and eco-friendly product brands. Sustainable products are growing nearly 10% every year, faster than conventional goods. Consumers want products that are clean, eco-friendly, and look premium. There are opportunities in beauty, fashion, home goods, pet supplements, and eco-packaging. Sustainability plus luxury branding equals a profitable, future-proof business. 4. Social media consulting for businesses. Companies are desperately trying to adapt to the digital age, but most lack strategy. That is why the social media consulting market is projected to reach over $10.2 billion by 2030. The secret is to specialize. One niche, one platform. One clear revenue-driving system. If you can help business owners make real money from social media, you will never run out of high-paying clients. 5. AI-powered service automation. AI is eliminating repetitive work across every industry. Businesses want to automate sales, customer service, operations, hiring, and marketing fast. You don't need to create AI tools yourself. Your business is connecting the right tech to solve expensive problems. This model has the power to scale into 6- and 7-figure revenue quickly because you're helping companies save massive operational costs. We are entering a rare moment in history. Demand is growing, wealthy buyers are spending, and technology is accelerating business success. If you focus on any one of these 5 opportunities and solve real problems with real value, you can build a highly profitable business in a short time. Reminder: for those who want to start today, learn how to make $1,000 to $3,000 a day in passive income on complete autopilot in 2025. The link is in the description. Take action now while the opportunity is still fresh. 6. Digital education and skill. Certification people are replacing college degrees with skill-based training. From AI skills and coding to nursing prep and digital marketing, online education is forecasted to exceed $450 billion by 2030. You can build paid online courses, certification programs, workshops, and cohort-based trainings. This industry is profitable because your knowledge equals your product. 7. Remote staffing and virtual assistant agencies. Businesses are cutting full-time labor costs and replacing them with flexible remote talent. If you can build a system to recruit virtual assistants, train and place them, manage performance, you can charge monthly retainers for long-term income. Start small, scale big. 8. Smart home installation and security solutions. More homeowners are upgrading to smart devices like automated lighting, solar energy, smart locks, and surveillance. Voice-controlled systems. This is a $200+ billion market by 2030. You don't build the technology, you install and maintain it. 9. Subscription box businesses, niche-focused. Subscriptions provide predictable monthly revenue, the dream of every entrepreneur. Best-selling categories: beauty plus skincare, fitness and nutrition, hobby-specific kits, pets, gardening, crafts, digital lifestyle bundles. Low startup cost plus recurring payments equals strong profits. 10. Logistics and last-mile delivery services. E-commerce keeps exploding, but customers want faster delivery. Start localized niche delivery. Food items, medications, spare parts, B2B, recurring supply deliveries. Grow from motorcycles, vans, warehouse operations. This is a business that never slows down. We are entering a rare moment in history: high-growth industries, wealthy buyers, and technology that can multiply your efforts. If you pick just one of these opportunities and execute well, 2026 can be the year your life completely changes. If you want to learn how to build a passive income engine that earns $1,000 to $3,000 per day, the link is in the description. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a wealth-building opportunity. The market is growing. The question isn't whether the market will grow. It's whether you will position yourself to grow with it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a wealth-building opportunity.